Diba, Baba? And, yeah. Titingnan ni Jan yung caravan. Good morning, guys. Kailangan ko muna doon sa living room kasi medyo madilim. Pangit yung weather today. Same as yesterday and before. And today pala is Monday. Holiday. Nakalimutan sabihin sa inyo kahapon. Holiday, kaya andito yung mga bata. Walang pasok. Say good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. And
coming here.
who's coming?
Charlie and Jones, I think. Joy might not come.
So, pupunta dito yung
Zach.
kaibigan namin na sila Kylie and yung kids kasi nga holiday. So, magluluto sana ako ng kasi linabas ko na kagabi yung salmon. Magpapaksiw sana ako. Kaso parating yung friend namin, imaamoy yung paksiw, diba? Amoy suka. Nasaan na yung salmon na linagay ko dito? Ito pala. Magluluto sana ako ng salmon para yun ang aming lunch. Meron pa naman kami dito yung binalot kong pansit tsaka spaghetti na dapat kahapon namin kainin pero hindi namin nakain kasi nga pumunta kami sa sa shed ni Dad kasi nandun sila and tingnan nyo, naalala nyo kumuha ako ng assorted na biscuit ng Inox. Eto na lang yung natitira. Gustong gusto nila yan. So, hintayin lang namin yung bisita namin. Wala namang ganap. Walang ganap. Ewan ko kung anong gagawin namin. So, hintayin ko lang sila, Kylie. Bago ako magluto. Hoy, what are you doing?
Nothing.
Nagre-wrestling sila. Sak, she's a girl, okay?
Sir.
And so daw. Tingnan mo, sa Bicol pa ka. Ang tawag yun? Ganyan ba? See? Tingnan nyo. Sak, be gentle, please. Gentle, please.
That's what we do.
Okay. Ano, Holly? Ha? Oh, Baba, teach Kuya Sak how to dance. Go. Go, Baba.
You do this.
Oh, come on. Oh. Okay, teach Kuya Sak. Kuya Sak, okay. Tala. Eh, nandito na pala si Jan. Galing work.
No, that's outside.
Yeah. Nandito na pero hindi pa pumapasok. May ginagawa siya. Inano yata yung bin. What? What did you do? Oy, can you get the Andes? Hindi gusto ni Jan yung kulay ng Andes.
We have to return them.
Yeah. Tiningnan niya, hindi niya gusto. Sabi ko, wala nang iba doon. Tapos sabi niya, hindi raw to yung size niya. Extra large daw siya. Pag bands. And yung isa kasi, meron siyang isa, wait. Yung isa kasing brand ng sinusot niya. Wait, baby. Yung isa, yeah, okay. Yung Andes na brand na sinusot niya ay Jackie. Yung pala yung XL. At dito pala, extra large siya. So sabi niya, hindi to yung size ko. You have to return that. Alright. Sana nandun sa car yung receipt niya. Ano, Sak?
This is my dance move.
Is that your dance move? Yeah, break dancing. Oh, diba? Oh, at least si Holly, look. Go, Holly. How about you, Kuya? Huh?
He does this Fortnite. Wasn't did that on the concert day?
Yeah, that's what you did. Gugulo, diba? Andito na siya. Kanina pa siya, nasa labas lang siya.
Oh my
Ang sakit ng ano niya. Doon, alam mo yung puwet? Yung buto doon sa gitna ng puwet. Masakit yung kanyang yun nga. Yung sa gitna nun.
No.
How did you go, Han?
Nowhere to move.
How did you go?
82.
82 kilos.
So many dead ones today.
Did you get any octopus?
Going sick.
Where's the octopus? Did you get a lot?
Yeah.
Mom
Oh my
crab.
What's this?
Wala pa yung bisita
This
namin.
looks better. This game. At least you can drive and be better steering.
Yeah.
This is a new car we got.
At least you're in the highway.
Bet you.
No, he hates this
No,
car.
don't like go-karts.
He wants the other one.
Dad, you know the car game?
Oh, can you
This is
shut that door, please, Zachy, mate?
Magpapagupit sila ng buhok. And si Sak, wait kuya, si Sak, ang gusto niyang cut katulad kay Tito Dan. Kaya sinasabi ni Jan, dapat daw makapal lang dito. So, mamaya, tingnan natin. So, Han, Kylie honey,
Dad.
Kylie needs to shave it here. Like, clean, and then not...
Zachary.
What did he do?
Climb the rope.
Mahilig si Sak. Ano, nag-climb na naman siya doon sa room.
Dad, it's easier to turn.
Yeah, 'cause you're lower to the ground.
Yeah.
So, yun. Gusto ni Sak, katulad kay Tito Dan. Sak! Si Kuya, ayan lang. Laro-laro lang siya.
Yes.
You like Tito Dan's hair? What's that, Kuya?
Zach says yes.
Yes, like Tito Dan. How about you?
No, I'll just leave it like this.
Dito na sila, guys. Hi, Sof! Hi, Coach!
That was my last lap anyway.
How are you? Is that sleeping? Wow, you had
I'm on my
makeup on?
last lap and I'm
Hello, Kylie. Gugupitan niya pala yung mga boys. Inutusan ko si Sak na diligan niya yung plants. Si Jan ang una kasi magpapakulay siya ng buhok. And yung dalawa, ayan.
I'm gonna be who I wanna be. I'm not gonna be flat.
What are you doing? What you? You're not gonna cut your hair, Baba.
So, Joe.
No. Gusto niya magpagupit din.
I'm getting it ready. See?
Slowly, like.
Uy, sakit yung ano niya.
You're the one that was doing that.
Zach, let him do it. Pull.
Sak, help Daddy. Oh. Kukulayin niya si Jan. Tapos niya ng gupitan. So, minimeasure niya lang. And yung dalawa, dito sila. Naglalaro sila ng luto-lutuan. Si Sophie, ang taga-luto. And siya naman yung nag-order. And yung mga boys andoon na naglalaro ng PS4.
I'll get
Nalagyan na ng kulay yung buhok ni Jan. And si Kuya na yung
Darling,
next.
cut hair.
Right, let's go.
Siya rin magkakat ng hair kay Kuya.
It's my turn to be.
What? Hard? You can't. Hindi niya mapasok yung kamay niya.
Oh, no, come here.
Ayaw rin siya ipakita yung buhok niya.
Learn to sit up straight.
Go run.
Barbershop daw siya before.
Is it going in here?
Sprayhan! What kind of haircut you want, Kuya? The same?
Yeah.
So, ititrim lang yung kay Kuya.
I'll kill
Kaysa kailangan ko maghanap ng katulad kay Dan. Nakahanap na ako ng picture ni Api. Sa vlog to ni Race, pinicturean ko. Ayan yung gusto niyang buhok. Katulad kay Tito Dan. Palitan na sila ng position. Si Holly naman yung nagluluto. And si Sophie naman yung nag-order.
Yeah. Zachary.
Never do that.
Yan, tapos na si Kuya. Come on, Kuya. Show me, show me.
It's the supermarket.
Turn.
I'm buying some food. Buy
Ayan.
Howard.
Ito na yung isa. Wait, Sak! I'm gonna vacuum dan, Sak! Sak! I'm gonna vacuum. Ayan, before niyo.
TJ.
That's so long.
No, it's alright, Han. Tapos na siya, oh.
Go to the mirror, Zach. See if you like it.
Go. Check niya yung... Check niya yung sa mirror. Ha?
Whatever.
Okay, Holly, your turn! Magpe-pretend lang siya. I-cut niya si Holly. Holly, come on! Nag-hide and seek na kasi sila ni Sophie. Go, Papa! So, kunwari lang.
You like it? Huh?
How is it, Zach?
He likes it.
You like it?
How is that?
Smile!
He's embarrassed.
Tataman siya
Don't move.
ni Sophie kasi nga.
Hands up.
I'm gonna get some.
Thinking that.
Yeah.
You can tell it's thick. Have a
Yes,
look at
I tuned it last time.
it. Beautiful.
Damn it!
Don't tell them.
Pretend lang, oh.
Good girl.
Good girl, done!
And I'll put your hair up.
Oh, kasi ayaw niya magpatali. Sabi ko sa kanya, sabihan niya si Holly na dapat lagi nakatali yung buhok niya. Wait, Baba, here. Done. Okay, you're done, Baba. Massaging, Baba.
Come on, Zachary.
You got massage from Daddy.
Doing Zach.
He wants this. I hate
Ayan, nirinse niya na yung buhok niya. Yan na yung kulay ng buhok niya. Ilalagay ko yan dun sa masakit niya ng ano, dun ba sa may... What's that called, Han?
you.
something daw.
I don't know where that trial came. I've got some for books on.
Binuksan niya yung ref. Wala naman siyang kukunin. So, yung ilalagay ko sa kanya is parang pain reliever or is it rapid gel, ha? Oo, rapid gel yung ilalagay ko sa kanya. Uy, quiet. Naglalaro na sila ng golf.
Yeah, that quality.
No, I don't need your help. Oh, wait.
Get a look. Jeez, you look like bloody Dan, Zachary.
Kasi gusto niya maging katulad ang hair niya kay Tito Dan. Ay,
Let him have a look in the mirror, Cole.
pupunta na naman siya sa sa salamin.
There you go.
Don't look.
Oh, punta na siya sa salamin. Sabi ko sa inyo eh. Lagi niyang yung buhok niya eh. Mas alaga niya ang buhok niya.
Wait, freak.
Ang tagal.
There's no fruit.
Good? Gawa ko na ang lunch nila. Ito yung binili ni Jan na tinapay, yung pumpkin seed and grain.
Eggs, white cheese.
Okay, Jan, Vegemite and cheese. So, kayong dalawa, what do you want for lunch?
What's this?
Like stew, John.
Ham and cheese? No, Vegemite and cheese?
No, I don't like cheese.
You don't like cheese, so just Vegemite and butter. How about you?
I like vegetables.
Ham. So, kay Jan, what do you want, Han? Vegemite, Han? I forgot.
I think he said
Vegemite. No.
No, ham and Vegemite and cheese.
How about you?
Oh, the peanut butter.
Peanut butter.
I actually have peanut.
So, ganito yung itsura ng sliced bread na binili ni Jan. What's that, Baba? Oh, I don't think so. I have to cut it, Baba. Andito na si Jan. Ito yung kay Jan. Ham, Vegemite and cheese. You're welcome. Yours? Peanut butter for Zachary. This one, oy. This is yours. And
Never. Jet.
wait for you, okay?
Judge.
Ito yung kay Kuya TJ. Nutella yung gusto niya. Kuya, yours is done, Kuya.
I want ham and cheese. I'll open it. Thank you.
Welcome. Si Sophie gusto niya plain bread. And si Holly, nabuksan niya yung ham. What did you use, Baba?
With my fork.
Ayan, tinusok-tusok niya ng fork. And yung kay yours, gusto niya plain bread. Ayun niya to. Nagbago yung isip ni Sophie. Lalagyan ko na sana ng Vegemite. Nagbago kasi si Sak. Nag-peanut butter ba si Sak? Oo, so sabi niya, peanut butter na lang din sa kanya. Kaya mayroong konting Vegemite dyan. Nagugas lang siya ng kamay. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Yung kay Holly, gusto niya ham and cheese na may sauce.
I'm just gonna chop it.
And eto yung kay Holly. You're welcome. Diyan.
Don't drop it, Bubba.
Tapos niya na yung bread and ayan,
We can't even.
ano na siya, saging.
Can't even have peanut butter at school.
I know. And yung kay Kobe, gusto niya lang ham and cheese with butter na walang sauce. So, eto yung lunch nila. Simple lang. And kami ni Kylie, eto yung nakuha kong noodles doon sa party. Iinitin ko, eto yung lunch namin. And si Kylie, sabi niya sa akin, kasi diba, dito sa Australia, nagkakaubusan ng toilet paper. Meron na, nagbibenta sa gantry na, how many rolls, Kylie? For $500?
I don't know. I think it was 48 rolls.
48 rolls for $500. Diba? Ang mga tao talaga, pwerte nagkakaubusan, binibenta naman nila ng napakataas ang presyo. So, and gumagawa ko ng peanut butter bread. Tama ba? Ayan. Tapos, eto, initin ko yung pansit bihon or bihon. Iniinit ko na yung noodles and sabi ni Kylie, hindi raw 40 rolls yung 500, kundi 12 rolls for $500. Grabe. Tapos na yung mga bata kumain and eto na yung lunch namin ni Kylie. And ipatry ko kay Kylie kung magustuhan niya itong V8, yung power blend na Purple Power. Do you wanna try this?
Huh?
Do you wanna try this? Have you tried this?
Oh, no.
Oh no?
Any vegetables in there?
Yes, vegetables and fruits.
What you do is you
What
just
kind of
find it
vegetables?
easy.
Carrots, beetroot. Do you want to try?
But I'll just like have it a little, like a little bit, just like a little.
Just a
tiny
little bit. Okay. Ipatry ko sa
Not
kanya.
that much because if I don't like it, I don't want to waste it.
Alright, good girl. Okay, you just try it. Sabi niya kunti lang daw, itry niya. Here you go, Sophie.
It looks like alcohol.
Alcohol? What alcohol? Try it. Pininch niya yung kanyang ilong.
That's actually good.
I know. Drink it, love. Kylie, you should buy this one for Sophie.
Well,
You should buy this one. She likes it.
I'm gonna blow it up then.
Yeah. Good girl, love. Oh,
It's always good to like try a little bit, and if
you wanna try?
and if you like it, if you don't buy it, and if you do like it,
You buy it.
you buy it, and
Yeah.
if you like it, you can have some more.
Yes.
Let me see.
Si Holly gusto niya
That's
rin
good.
daw.
That's good. That's good.
Okay, Baba.
It's blood as
You
well.
know what it tastes like, Baba. You had that before.
What? Yes, you do.
You like it, Baba? You finish it all? Okay. Kain na kami ni Kylie. Kylie!
Oh, good.
You want more? Nagustuhan niya.
Alright, yes, yes.
Okay. Good girl. Kasi meron na siyang ano,
I want more.
dalawang vegetables daw. Ah, wala pala vegetables
You
to.
don't even taste the vegetables.
Yeah, you don't.
You
2 serves veggies.
Mom, I want more.
You want more?
Yes, please.
And si
Oh, no, you
Blue one.
Okay. Si Kuya, ayan, painumin ulit siya ng medicine kasi hindi pa siya ganun kagaling. Umalis na pala sila Kylie, guys, kanina. And si Jan, kagising lang from nap. And yung mga boys, inutusan kong ayusin yung couch. Ayan sila. And ako, ito yung binili ko sa Big W, yung ano, Smart Value na antibacterial na wipes. Punasan ko yung eto, tsaka dito. And yung yung dinner namin, si Jan ayaw niyang kumain kasi di ba kanina kumain siya ng Vegemite and cheese, dalawa, tapos nagsaging siya, tapos ewan ko ano pang kinain, nag-chips yata siya. And sabi niya, hindi raw siya magdi-dinner. Ganun si...
problem with the Vegemite and cheese.
What?
There's no more Vegemite.
No more Vegemite, yeah. Naubusan na kami ng Vegemite. And ako lulutuin ko yung salmon. Kasi yung mga bata, meron pa yung afritada. Okay pa naman to. So, initin ko na lang. O kaya, salmon. Mag-salmon sila. Kung anong gusto nila. Pero meron ako dyan yung karne. Initin ko yan. So, yun yung dinner namin. So, nagka-catch up lang ako. Kasi nga, kanina, di ba, may bisita kami. And yung vacuum, gagamitin ko siya. Mag-vacuum ako dito sa kusina.
The sun is coming up again, looking like it's gonna be a problem. Cause I'd be lying to you if I said this ain't a thing and I've been looking for a new one. I keep on waiting for the weekend. Gonna hit you up and tell you that I want you, cause I just wanna feel like this again. Oh, oh, oh. All I wanna do is feel awesome. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All I wanna do is feel awesome. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Baby, can you make me feel awesome? Up and down, side to side, and then back and forth. Up all night again, me and you, left and right, and then whoa, whoa, oh, oh. Up and down, side to side, and then back and forth. Up all night again, me and you, left and right, and then whoa. All I wanna do is feel awesome. Dark again. Whatever you got, baby, I want one. And now I'm fighting for the sheets again. Sleeping in your bed like I ain't got one. I just wanna feel like this again. Oh, oh, oh. All I wanna do is feel awesome. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All I wanna do is feel awesome. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Baby, can you make me feel awesome? Up and down, side to side, and then back and forth. Up all night again, me and you, left and right, and then whoa, whoa, oh, oh. Up and down, side to side, and then back and forth. Up all night again, me and you, left and right, and then whoa. All I wanna do is feel awesome. All I wanna do is feel awesome. Yeah. All I wanna do is feel awesome. Oh, oh, oh. All I wanna do is feel awesome.
Habang Did Zach clean my room? Did you clean my room, Baba? Thank you. Habang nasa kusina ako nagluluto ng salmon, sila yung naglinis dito.
Look at it.
Okay, tingnan natin yung bedroom. Is it clean, ha?
Down where?
Wow, Zach! Siya nag-fix ng bed. Kasi kanina, nagmadala kasi maaga dumating sila. Kylie, thank you, Zachy boy! Nandito yung aking laptop. Si Kuya yung nag-vacuum, si Zach yung nagpunas ng mga ano. Eto ba, dito sa mga pictures and yung PS4 nila. Tapos na yung mga bata maglinis doon. Inuna nila yung PS4. And ako, habang naglilinis sila doon, eto, naluto ko na yung paksiw na salmon. Ayan. And pinagamit ko to kay Zach. Ito yung nabili ko sa Big W, yung antibacterial wipes. Pinagamit ko para i-wipe niya dun sa mga picture frames. Hindi ko siya gusto kasi medyo dry siya. Ito talaga yung ginagamit ko. Ito yung Dettol na wipes para dito. So, tinay ko to sa mesa. Dry siya and hindi ko siya gusto. Mura lang naman kasi to. And iinitin ko yung, eto nga, yung afritada ata to. Yeah, afritada na luto ni Tin. So, yan ay iinitin ko. Tapos, eto yung ulam pa na isa. Yung paksiw na salmon. And luto na yung rice. Si Jan hindi siya kakain. So, kami lang ng mga bata. Boys, are you ready to eat?
Yes!
Are you boys?
Yes!
Okay, ready na sa kumain. Initin ko lang yung, ayan. Gusto raw itry ni Kuya yung paksiw na isda. Here, Kuya.
Big!
Yes, Kuya, na iyo. You're right. Hindi daw nila alam kung anong gusto nila. Ito or yung, ano, yung, you like it, Zach? There's no bone. That's not bone. That's not bone.
There's no bone in it.
No, there's no bone. Takot kasi siya pag may bone. Ah, a little. Oh, yeah, meron. Ayaw niya mayroong konti. Takot sila pag may bones. Come on here, Kuya. Ay, Holly. Blow.
It's too hot, that one.
No, it's not hot.
Just watch out for...
No bone?
No.
No. Okay.
Some of that.
You want some of this? Okay. Si Kuya, huli si Kuya.
Hand was soap.
Did you wash your hands already?
Yeah, with soap.
With what?
With soap.
With soap. Okay.
He's
Blow, Kuya. No, he's alright. He's last. Pinahuli ko si Kuya
but
kasi
he's
nga.
sick.
I know he is sick.
Wait, he's not sneezing.
He's not sneezing. It's alright now,
Only
Kuya.
I can have that spoon. This is the last one.
No, Baba. I'll put it in. I'll put it on your plate now. Okay? You're gonna eat now.
I'm like.
You like it?
I like Kuya.
You just have one. Ready na yung dinner namin. And di ba nagluto ako ng salmon? Bukas ko na lang yung kakainin kasi medyo marami yung pork. So, para maubos na rin to. Pero si Holly gusto niya raw ng salmon. And ayun siya. What are you doing, Holly?
Vlog.
Huh?
Vlog.
Vlogging a vlog. And yeah, so eto yung akin. Yung may chili flakes. Kuya! Come on.
That was mine.
No, this is yours.
I thought this one was mine.
You can have that if you want to. Oh, that's right. It's the same. Okay? Okay, Kuya?
Kids, they're ready.
Kids, they're ready. Okay. Oh, Holly? Akin na, akin na. Huh? You wanna sit there? Doon ka na lang na.
I'm sauced.
Okay, you don't need sauce.
Vlog.
No, you eat first, Baba.
Vlog.
I'm gonna vlog. Okay, kain muna kami, guys.
I am hot. What is that?
Are you vlogging talaga? Ano? Go eat now, please. Nag-vlog din si Sa.
Say hello, Mom. Mom, say hello.
Hi.
You just see? Remember? Look at you, Mom.
Wow. Ayan yung kuha niya sa akin. Okay, kain na, kain na. Guys, tapos na kaming kumain ng dinner. And, did you finish your food?
Yeah.
Yes.
Can I finish one?
And now, meron na siyang hawak na. Tinan
I
si
want some ACT.
Anong ACT? Activia yung yogurt. And si Kuya andun sa
I want
ano.
5 if it stood.
Sala. Okay, you have to
Oh,
mix it first. So, yung paksiw na niluto ko na salmon, bukas ko na lang yung kakainin. Good? Give some for Holly.
I'll set fire.
What's this?
Okay, let's close the vlog. We're gonna close our vlog, guys. Thank you.
This replay.
Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next vlog. Good night, guys. Thank you. Bye.
Paradise, tell me who you seek.